1 year.
Okay.
And while I was there, I was being given money by the Australian government. So, Atinumi was getting my salary and paying for the land that was where we are having this house, no? Like that.
We started buying small lots. Every time we had some savings, we would invest that in lots. We started by installment.
But
Then,
when
we finished one lot, then we would get another lot.
Ito na ho yun, yung magkakalapit na lot. Ito na ho ba yun?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa ho.
Hindi pa. He bought a lot in, yung kauna, when you were still single.
yes, I bought a lot in
Quezon.
Quezon City.
Hindi, yung sa Lucena.
Ayun sa Lucena, oh. But that was, I was still single when I bought that. I bought that with my money, my salary when I was in Japan.
Then when we got married, we bought a lot in Quezon City to the tune of 7,000. You know, we were...
Saan lugar ho yun Saan lugar ho yun sa Quezon City?
Sa...
Ano ba yun?
Nalimutan ko na rin yun.
Doon sa may Kaibiga. Doon sa may Juan Luna. Ano ba yun? Luna, ano pa? It's a long road. Ano nga pangalan yun? Ano yun? Amparo Capri Subdivision. Amparo Capri Subdivision. 400 square meters.
Anong may sakop doon?
Quezon City.
Quezon City? Saan malapit?
Hindi. Caloocan City.
Caloocan.
Oo, Caloocan City.
Caloocan pa yun?
Oo, Caloocan. Kaya, di ba, taga Caloocan ang tumulong sa atin. Then, we bought another lot dito sa, yung Yamas, Clarmen Village. Yeah. We bought another lot there.
In other words,
Talaga nag-land bank.
we were investing on something that would be more permanent, no? But when we started building this house, we had no money.
1,000.
We had just 1,000, and we were looking for somebody who could help us borrow money from GSIS. We were so lucky because suddenly we saw a former co-worker in Dex who was at that time the secretary of the general manager of GSIS.
Personal secretary, general manager.
She offered to help us borrow, but we borrowed during the time 50,000 was very big money already. We borrowed 50,000.
Suspended ang
loan.
Ang loan.
Suspended.
Pero naikuha kami ng
Pero natulungan siya ni Lulu.
Si
Talagang Bill of God.
And there were many requirements before we could get the loan. Dapat meron ng friends na wala na.
What happened was we bought this lot. And so we had already 4 lots. And we mortgaged this lot with GSIS, so we could borrow 50,000. Because this measured 398 square meters. So we were able to borrow 50,000. And we mortgaged this lot. So we started building
the total cost of the
1971.
original house was about 97,000. When we had this repaired or renovated, about
5 million.
we spent about 5 million.
But when we started building the house, we didn't have the money. But the contractors started building, so we didn't have money to pay the laborers. So I had to run to my father. Please lend us 1,000 pesos for the wages, the weekly wages of the carpenters and the laborers. It went that way until we got our loan. Then
her father was even saying, "Why do you have to build your own house? There is nobody living here except us. Why don't you just stay?" But we were saying, this house should go to Andy because he is the boy. No.
Ako na.
Ako na ho, siya
Ako na.
Ako na ho yun. Ako na baka madulas pa.
Ay,
Ako na.
may kuwan, galing kay Sitas, dadala ng pera mo, refund sa iyo, no? Galing kay Sitas. And so, since we were just workers in offices like that, and our salary, although it was, we had enough, but we were not comfortable, we did not have much savings. So we said, if we depended on our salary alone, we are not going to have a good retirement pay. And so we said, okay, why don't we write textbooks for children? So we started writing textbooks in science, textbooks in mathematics. Ganun Sitas, ano? Meron yan pala kay Bernard.
We really started from zero when we built the house. We
But-
had nothing.
but
Nagkasakay pa si Geraldine.
The first book that we wrote was in mathematics, and we wrote it together with the help of American volunteers working in my office in science. But during the time we were not too knowledgeable about
Writing
writing
books.
books and also
Modern mathematics.
not only that, but also the payment for writing, no? And so the first book that we wrote, we gave it outright sale to the publisher, and the publisher got so much for it.
We got only 1,500
But-
for a series of new mathematics books. And according to Aviva, those were the books that really
When-
brought money to them.
When
Kasi
his
modern maths, first time lumabas, so
When
they
his
thought that
agents-
hotcakes.
Agents going to northern Luzon, going to Mindanao, when they talk with us, it is only your books that are keeping alive us alive. The other books don't sell, but your books don't sell. For 7 years that was done. But do you know what? Even on Christmas Day, Aviva never sent us any.
That's why we left them. Vival recruited us.
Walang royalties.
Because outright say,
They made money. But so we transferred to another publisher.
Vival.
Bagay we did not transfer. We were wooed by Vival.
people would ask, you know what she did? Every time we go to Baguio, she would send us to have a Mercedes-Benz, and they take us there with the driver always with us. And she would give us some money like that.
Every time we said we need money.
Then,
we-
of
we
course,
were-
our books went into competition, and luckily, during the
They
first,
always,
they always
got
come out
first place.
first place in the competition. So they sold very well, and we got very good loyalty for that. Except that I wasn't satisfied with the loyalty because the publisher wasn't able to not very clear. Our contract was 11% royalty. But he said, oh, there are many who will give money to so many people. And that 11% went down to 3%.
Hindi na yung kailangan niya.
So, but
But we were able to buy all these lots. We were able to build our house
that money,
from royalty. Everything, of course, from our salary. Pero we acquired all the lots that we have now through royalty.
Okay. Thank you.
now, then when we were getting a little older, we said, well, after our retirement, we must have some income also. So, we put some money into building
apartment.
apartments. And so,
Nagbabayad na ba si attorney sa inyo ngayon? Hindi pa rin.
Sino?
Si attorney?
Ibabayad
Oo.
na.
Ito paano
Up to
kanyang
date.
pa?
After 1 year.
up to date. No,
Up to date na.
After 1 year.
Pero yung past, yung backlog niya, in-update
Oo.
na. Ano na po sila naman?
But it was,
Then, kay Tita Silvia.
Ay, nagbana na ho sa akin yan. Oo.
Nakabili na kaya?
Ako, ano na lang po.
Ano?
Deliver na lang po.
Maghanda na kaya ng mga planta. Mamaya.
but
You know when we were...
the checks that are arriving now as payments is not signed by Conde, but I think it is maybe
Company.
his brother-in-law, Magtibay. And he was the one who completed all the payments, the backlog. Now they are on schedule. And we are very happy
They have
about it.
business. Bigger yata.
Kasi brother-in-law ang...
Ewan ko, hindi ko alam. Basta doon nakatira eh. So, sino magtitira doon?
Doon nakatira si...
Yung nagbabayad.
Brother-in-law.
Yung Magtibay. Brother-in-law.
Sa kapisan lang sa bahay.
Hmm?
Kapisan lang sa bahay.
Hmm.
But we really started from zero, and we had to get thrifty, we had to make sacrifices. When I got married, I stopped going to the beauty parlor for manicuring and pedicuring. Now I can go.
You know,
I said,
Ah,
time will come,
when
we'll
we were
have
single,
money for that.
we went to movies very often. Since we got married until now, I think we cannot even
We
fill
can
our
count on our
fingers with
fingers.
movies that we have seen. Until now.
And he was very
We
cooperative.
we always say, okay, that seems to be very nice. So many, okay, let's see it. But it's only until let's see it, but we never saw it.
when we first got married, first time we were together, he gave me all the money. I said, okay, I'll hold it. Then I gave him allowance of 10 pesos a day. Because all the rest went to the lots that we were trying to buy. So we were so focused on that dream of having our own lot and house